Alright guys, we reached Jamaica! Alright, good morning, goodies. A long time. Don't see me. Like, it's been a long time. But you know, since you see me, you know what's the deal. You know, I got Jamaica, obviously. So yes, I'm going to Jamaica for the Christmas season. Yeah. Right now I'm here trying to like get stuff ready and stuff, you know. I'm last minute, you know. Before, like one time, like when I was like much younger, I swear, like if I got Jamaica December, me done pack everything by August. Like that's like how prepared I was, or like excited. Not saying like I'm not excited, but like, you know, with work and everything and errands and stuff, you know, I tend to like push stuff to the last minute. So today is December 11th. Right now, what time? I just know 10 o'clock. I don't know if yeah, 10 o'clock now. And I have work at 4. So like this is like my only little spare time that I can like get stuff done. Like I haven't packed anything. I still have Christmas presents and stuff that I'm giving like my mom and like my family, like that's up here that's not going to Jamaica. I have to like finish wrap those, you know, and it's a lot. I have clothes like all about, like as you can see, all of them clothes here on the bed are like all new clothes, will come out of like packaging and stuff like that, you see. So yes, I have to like go through those, see what I'm bringing and stuff, which most likely is like everything I'm gonna bring, because like I have a problem that like all I do is just like overpack. I rather have like more clothes than not enough, you know. Although that's like, it kind of bad, because like obviously when I go to the airport I'm going to be overweight and stuff, but I don't know, I just like to have more than what I need. But yes, so now I'm gonna bring everything upstairs and bring it downstairs, because I'm just gonna pack everything downstairs so it's easier. Because like if I pack it from upstairs, I have to strain with it a suitcase. We go downstairs, we come out the house. So I'm gonna just bring all the clothes, suitcase, and pack them up in my living room. And then after I do that, I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes. So hopefully I can do all of that by time like 2 o'clock, so that way I have time for bathe and get ready for work. My plan was to clean out my car too and get an oil change, so that Mano said like, yo, my car is set, so then, you know, when I come back up I don't have to worry about that or whatever. So yeah, I didn't tell you guys, I'm leaving Wednesday the 15th and today's the 11th. So yeah, this is gonna be like the first part of this video is like, you know, me getting ready and stuff, you know, because I love to watch people get ready and things like that. Yesterday, me and my grandmother, we went to the nail shop and we got our toes done. So yeah, yeah, me and my grandmother were traveling. So here are my toes. Guys, don't mind my feet they're ugly, you know, but yeah, you know, I have white toes. If foreign toes, as Tati would I say. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just bring down everything that I could find that was upstairs. Then I bring it to Jamaica downstairs so I can start packing it. This lighting looks so good. I'm like right before it lights them. So I'm gonna show you guys the living room. It's full up a woolly sitting, but you know that's gonna get cleared out and stuff. So I have bags here, bags here. Done something there, and that's not going to Jamaica. Those are just there. So I have literally all of them here. Yeah, just all of these, and those to go in my suitcase. Them, my grandmother, she done pack. Well, at least she have like more than me. So this is her suitcase, and then that one over there is hers. Oh, here's our Christmas tree. I gotta turn it out to show me. Here's our Christmas tree. I know it's kind of like out of focus, but yeah, the theme was like blue and silver. Here's the gifts and stuff already. Even though we're not gonna be here, my grandma still wanted to like put up a Christmas tree or whatever. So I'm gonna finish getting my Christmas gifts bagged up and put under the tree, and then I'm gonna start on like packing my suitcase and stuff. Honestly, I don't know where to start, but I don't know if I should start like on my suitcase or the suitcase where I got like Ray. Not really Ray, because everything I'm gonna bring on a Ray, but you know what I mean, like stuff that doesn't apply to me. and then get that situated. And yeah, I'm bringing this suitcase down because it's bigger. And guys, you probably wouldn't believe me, but my clothes then that I brought up from July, they're still in that suitcase. I mean, I want to come talk about, oh, you're dirty and this and that, and that. All the clothes in that suitcase is clean, but I just left them in there because, like, honestly, like, I have no space in my closet, chest of drawer, nothing like that. So honestly, I just left the clothes them in a suitcase to, like, try to save space. But when I come back up from Jamaica, I need to go through, like, all of my clothes them and stuff, and, like, either throw away, donate, save them for bring out Jamaica on next time, clothes that I'm not wearing or just can't fit me again, and try to, like, save space, because I keep buying. I mean, I know if I put this in them, and my grandmother always cussed me and tell me I need to stop buying, come on, I go away, which is true, but come on, if I see stuff, I have to buy it. So I'm going to go through the clothes in that suitcase, because there's a couple outfits in there that I didn't wear when I was in Jamaica in July, so I might, like, bring those back on, you know, exchange and take out and stuff. Alright guys, so right now I'm here, like, taking off the tags them off. I close them. I mean, I'm pretty sure I don't have to tell you guys to tag them off, because, you know, if customs, like, dig up a suitcase and I see tags on it, then I'm gonna say I knew stuff. When you buy stuff from when I have, if y'all years or whatever, but yeah, and no, if I tie them then see price and feel like said that you pay for, which, well, you know, you could get it on sale or whatever, but I'm just making sure I go through everything thoroughly, take off all the tags them and stuff. So if they decide if it's sitting in my suitcase, then can't charge me, because, like, I refuse to pay any money this trip. When I went down in June, $30,000 me have to pay, like, then two freaking teeth. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I wanted to show you guys that like, my hacks, what me I gotta start doing now, because what I'm gonna start doing now is packing wise, like, usually, like, if you have anything in packs, whether it's like t-shirt, marine, or like boxers or something like these or whatever, usually I just throw everything, like, in a suitcase, like, in a packaging. But, you know, too, it's kind of bulky, it would not take up space. So, like, a good thing to do is to take it out of the bag and just spread it out, and then, you know, you will save, like, little spaces like that. So, you know, if you have a marina t-shirt and those stuff like that, just take it out and spread it over a suitcase. That's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so I'm just gonna finish taking off these tags off. I close them and get back to them. Alright guys, so I finished tearing off all the tags. These are what I got so far. So now I'm rolling up, like, small items and stuffing inside of the shoes them. So, like, for example, like, one of these, like, little briefs, kids briefs, I'm just, like, stuffing it and rolling it in the shoe. That way, you know, you save space. And that's what I'm just gonna do for everything, just stuff. I'm also gonna stuff toothpaste in the shoes them to you know, minimize space. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys, like, me, like, actually packing, because, like, it's gonna be, like, a lot, and then, like, for me to, like, adjust the camera or whatever. So, like, when I'm finished packing, I'll show you guys, like, how it looks. Don't fold your clothes like regular clothes on stock. Roll them. Roll the clothes them really, really tight, and then you just put across. Save so much space, and you can't fit more stuff in a suitcase. Alright guys, so I just finished packing the one suitcase, and it took me, like, damn near, like, an hour and a half. So no, a tip, be laughing. I'm on video call would be, but get some Irish Spring and then just drop them in a suitcase, so, you know, your suitcase fits real nice and fresh. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody knows this, but if you don't, yes, get 2 Irish Spring and your suitcase I gonna smell good. So yeah, I'm about to put that in the suitcase them now and see if I can tackle the new suitcase. The other one, it's 1:05 now, and I want it to be done by 2 o'clock so that way I can cool off and bathe and get ready for work at 4. So the suitcase is looking now. It kind of look like it can't lock, but we will figure that out. So I saw it look, as you can see, everything is, like, tightly stuffed and stuff. Then here, you know, you just go drop a side, and then put the next one over that way. And yes, the living room is a mess. Tag, box and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna lock up this suitcase and try to start on my other one. Alright guys, so, like, the last time you guys saw me, I was, like, packing and stuff, and like I didn't even get a chance to like pick up my phone or my camera to like talk back to you guys. But so you know, long story short, you know, time catch up on me. So you know, I was just doing a run around. I had to get my COVID test, apply for travel authorization, doing some last minute packing. I got my eyebrows done, you know, so much stuff or whatever. And so today is December 15th, so you know, yes, good day, I got Jamaica. Right now it's 5:17 and my flight leaves at 7:50. So like me and my grandmother were like super early. Suitcase them overweight. There's nothing new there, you know. All of our suitcases was like at least 80 pounds each. So you know, so it was just get $300 for a week, but nothing new, because when we go down we always have to carry well at Jamaica. So yes, I'm here, guys. My purse, so I bought myself a Telfar bag for Christmas or whatever. Here it is, orange, and like when I tell you this shit, oh sorry, when I tell you this baby is big, she is big. She holds a lot of room, but like I don't like how it's like it's not organized, because I was just throwing stuff in. And then guys, you know, like what the crazy thing is, my stepfather had came and like pick us up, and then like I was in the car and I was like, wait, I'm forgetting something. Guys, I almost left you guys, like I almost left my my camera. I had to run back in the house and grab it. I don't know how would I manage with the vlogs. I mean, I would have used my phone, but that I got a camera just for vlogs. So I'm glad I remembered, and I didn't like reach far like on the highway or whatever, so I turned back for it. So yeah, we reach our gate. My grandmother went to the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and then I'm gonna organize my purse. So oh, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, because gal look good, like I look real nice or whatever. Everybody was like giving me compliments about my outfit, and like it's just like a little sweater piece. And yeah, we book up on like some Jamaicans. They was like having like luggage problem or whatever, because their suitcase too small, and they were saying like, oh, some big suitcase like them we need, you know. And then laugh, like they was like trying to force clocks and everything. Now look suitcase with big like me on luggage, they were trying to force it in. But yeah guys, if you're going to Jamaica, you need big suitcases to carry your stuff them. So yeah, my grandmother come back now. About to go use the bathroom. Granny, you want to stand up and show people your outfit them? I see how you look nice. Hey Tommy.
Jamaica. This is my hobby.
Granny look good. Yes, Granny, you look nice. So yeah, we're the first ones here, as you can see. Empty space. So guys, what? Forgot what? I didn't say I forgot the cologne. I said whatever left get left. Yeah, I brought the cologne and forced it on in a blue suitcase. So guys, I went to the bathroom. They didn't have like a tall mirror for you guys to see my outfit. So when I reach Florida, you'll see a full suit. I wonder if I can set up the camera and show you guys. Wait there. First me if I got Jamaica got me love my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see. No, they can't see me.
Is aboard the aircraft, Charlotte. She's in the middle.
Yeah, Granny gets
we have John
with empty.
and Randy in the back of the cabin together.
Nice
We'll do everything we can to ensure you have
Granny happy?
safe and enjoyable flight.
Alright guys, we reach at Jamaica. As we come out, wait, first let me backtrack or whatever. But come off, we get our suitcase, we got customs, right? We're gonna do not declare line. So my grandmother went first, so the lady must ask her, I said, how long you staying? How much piece you have if you bring anything from family or whatever? Granny said, no, I just her clothes them. And she was like, with so much suitcase or whatever, me I forgot to say that declare line. Granny just walked past the lady, and the lady make sure go or whatever. I guess she didn't want to like us. So then I come up now. She was like, oh, you're traveling with her? She's like, no man, you guys have to go. And I declare line. My grandma was like, no, we don't have nothing for nobody. She asked me if you have anything for family members. We have a nice suitcase. Me said just my clothes, my shoes, and my makeup. And she's like, you not bring nothing for nobody? And me said, no, me not no money. And then she just let me through. So quick and easy. As we come out the door, me and babes, I need Oh, and just stand though. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna come hug. Oh, I'm in Jamaica. So be on the look. Nice. Oh, B, you know, so when I you know, we have to take our luggage off our belt or whatever. So I was taking off my stuff and putting it on here when I work as a hi, beautiful lady. I said hello, thank you, and yeah, kept it moving. So we about to go dinner. You eat already?
No, man.
You didn't eat from morning. What you want? What are we having? Wait, we're gonna get the curry goat?
Yeah.
So be a long time we don't see people there. What you would like? Come on, no.
What?
If people them love we, you know?
People that don't know me, be.
They don't. Me say they love we.
So yeah, so they know me.
Me don't. Well, I don't know. No, they don't know you because you don't really like talk to them or whatever. So guys, we want to. All right. Oh, guys, guess what? He's focused on driving now. You focused on driving over here?
Yeah, out there.
And then my grandmother in our next vehicle over there. But yeah. Oh God. I feel so nice to be in Jamaica. These 3 weeks are gonna fly by so quick, but I'm gonna have to make the best of it and utilize it. So yeah, when we reach wherever we're going, I'll bring you guys back out. So I get fish tea for appetizers. I don't really like soup, so I didn't get any. But yeah, we're at this restaurant right across from Rose Hall. I mean, the place is nice. We're upstairs, and yeah, I'm just here waiting on my appetizer and then my food. And my drink. I'm thirsty and hot. Yeah. You like your soup? Yeah. You like your soup?
Soup, nice.
Nice. Can you feed me some? Don't nasty up me. It's full of pumpkin, though. So guys, B is not happy that I'm here. He's just like on the phone, and like we're supposed to be sitting here talking, enjoying our time together because me soon go up. Although me just come down, me soon left. Some more.
What? What?
Appetizer, spicy wings. So here's our food. We get curry shrimp with rice. We get curry goat and rice. We're gonna get curry goat and rice. I'm planning this fish right there.
You want this side?
About to eat this now. Cannot wait. I hope she remember we're drinking. Alright guys, so this is the place of the restaurant we go, Anchor's Bar and Grill. We sat up there. The place is very, very nice. See this here. And then see it there across from Rose Hall. The food was amazing, very nice, but the portion could a little bigger, but it's good. So yeah, we're about to reach up. I mean, we're gonna go up now. At night I come down. Okay guys, so I reached in. You know ready for the vlog yet? Alright, tomorrow. You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hi guys!
Tell them your name.
My name is Jordan Graham.
Alright guys, so I reach in, I'm sitting down. I did ship down some barrels and stuff with some stuff in there, and they unpacking them right now. I'm not doing it because like I'm hot, but I'm going to show you guys what's going on right now. See that there?
Yeah,
I did barrels on. So I have brought some stuff to like go and sell and see what we can juggle. So yeah, that's what they're doing. And I plan to get these sorted out, the food between the selling stuff them, so then I could go sleep. So yep.